We are so glad you've joined us today to talk about something that can truly empower your voice and your business in the digital world. We know that building a website often feels like a mountain too high to climb, especially when you think about coding or high monthly fees. But today, we are going to look at Google Sites. It's a tool that is as natural to use as the land is to our people, and best of all, it's completely free. So let's see how to create a website without writing a single line of code. To get started, it feels like you're using their Google Suite products like Google Docs, which makes the whole process feel very familiar and grounded. We can create an empty website and build from scratch, or we can pick one of their templates. If we start with an empty site, we'll get full freedom to organize it exactly how we see fit. We can enter our site name in the corner and add a page title that speaks to our mission right there in the header. To insert visual elements, we have to look at the Insert tab, where every tool has a specific purpose in building our online home. Every element we need is right there on the right-hand side of the screen. Starting at the very top of this tab, we see the 4 primary pillars of any good page. These are the text boxes, images, the embed tool, and the Google Drive icon. Text boxes are where we share our words and our stories, while the image tool allows us to upload our own photos or select them from the web to bring color and life to the page. The embed tool is a particularly powerful way to bring in outside voices, as it lets us add external content like a social media feed or a custom widget just by pasting a link or a snippet of code. Because this is a Google tool, the Google Drive icon is perhaps the most useful of all, because it lets us pull any file we've already saved in our personal storage directly onto the site without any fuss. Moving down the panel, we find the content blocks. These are pre-made layouts that act like a sturdy frame for a house. Instead of guessing where to put a photo and a paragraph, we pick a block that fits our vision, perhaps a large image on the left with descriptive text on the right, and it snaps perfectly into place. This keeps everything aligned and makes it easy for the eyes of our visitors to follow the trail we've laid out for them. Further down the list, we find specialized tools that add a lot of function without requiring us to be tech experts. We can use collapsible groups, which are great for keeping long lists of information hidden until someone actually needs to see them, which keep our pages from looking cluttered. We also have buttons to guide people on where to go next, and social links to keep our community connected across all the different platforms where we gather. Finally, we see the deep integration with the rest of the Google family. We have direct access to YouTube for our videos, Calendar to show upcoming community events, and Maps to help people find our physical location. We can even embed live Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. The best part of this is that if we update the original file in our drive, the website updates automatically on its own. It's a smoother way to keep our information as current as the morning tide without having to rebuild the page every single time something changes. Now, as we look at the Pages section, we see that the default is always the home page, but our stories are often bigger than just one page, right? We can create as many pages as we need to cover every part of our journey. We can add a new page for a Contact Us section, create a new link to an external resource, or even do a full page embed if we have a special tool to share. If our site grows large, we can create a new menu section to keep our navigation as clear as a mountain stream. Next, we have the Themes area. This is where we give our site its spirit. We can choose from the templates Google provides, which are clean and modern, or we can build custom themes. We choose our own colors and fonts that represent who we are. It's about making sure the look and feel of the site matches the heart of what we're doing. Before we ever show our work to the world, we always use the preview feature. This is a vital step. It lets us see the website preview as it would appear on a large computer screen, a tablet, or even a small phone. We want to make sure that no matter how our brothers and sisters are viewing our site, the message remains clear and the beauty remains intact. It's our way of double checking that every stone we've placed is sitting just right. Sometimes, staring at a blank white screen can feel a bit overwhelming, like looking out over an empty plane. That's why Google provides a gallery of pre-designed layouts for things like project portfolios, small business sites, or event pages. These templates aren't just shells, they come with beautiful structures already in place. Furthermore, these templates are fully responsive, which means they automatically adjust their shape to fit any screen, which saves us a lot of technical headache. We can take a salon or portfolio template and simply swap out the images for our own, change the text to tell our unique story, and keep the professional layout that's already been tested. These templates have become even more sophisticated by offering designs that look like they were made by high-priced developers. It's a great way for us to get a professional look without having to spend the resources we need for our community and our families. So, after making the website design, sharing and publishing is the final step in bringing our vision to the people. We can click the Share with Others icon and add the email addresses of our teammates or friends. We can decide if they are just viewers or if they can help us edit the site. This real-time collaboration is a blessing because it allows us to build something together, even if we are miles apart. Once we are satisfied with how everything looks, we hit that big Publish button. This is when our site officially goes live on the great expanse of the internet. We get to choose a web address, usually starting with googlesites.com/view/our name. However, if we want a more professional path, we can connect a custom domain that we've purchased elsewhere, which makes it easier for people to find us, like a well-marked trail. We also have the power to control who sees our site. We can make it public for the whole world or keep it private for just a specific group of people. Even after we publish, we can keep working on drafts. The world won't see our new changes until we hit publish again, which gives us the peace of mind to grow and evolve our site at our own pace. So far, Google Sites remains the most reliable and accessible way for us to claim our space online without spending a dime. It's simple, integrated, and respectful of our time. We encourage you to start your own digital journey today. Create your website for free and share with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.